back to back. Oh, another day, another dollar. Number one. What up, Steve? Actually, right now we are at 28 pips. No, 30. 31 pips. Three pips. Morning. So I'm targeting the previous point of interest, the previous day point of interest, which is at 3338. That's my target. All right, and right now at this, I entered right here on my PRZ level as well as a third touch on my 4 hour trend line. Morning, Atlas. All right, we have a straight rejection. Well, not a straight rejection, but it's taking a while to reject off of the third touch of the trend line, as well as rejection on my PRZ level on 3315. Yeah. Yesterday we took partials up here somewhere, and then broke even before it went on the opposite way. But at least I closed with some profits yesterday. Yesterday was rough, man. It was like ranging for the most part. It took forever to move. Look how long it fucking stayed in this area before moving up and then just finally going down. So, but the thing is, we didn't quite get to 3350 yesterday, but we came close. Came close. Came close. And we secured the bag. Or I secured the bag. And now I want to see if I'm gonna have another win today. Toot. 6 viewers on my YouTube. Nice. What will be the next move for gold? Up. Well, I'm predicting it's gonna go up. Like, at least fill this range because right now we're in this range right here. From this range. So I'm entering at the bottom of the range. We're in this range right here. So this is the next target area, which is 3310. But my full TP is at the point of interest of my fixed volume profile on the previous session break, which is 3338. If the 6 people here watching on my TikTok, you can like, if you guys do me a favor, just go to like to right there my YouTube channel, and just like and comment, and then come back here. I'll appreciate that. I'm trying to build my YouTube channel as well. I have 7 people watching on my YouTube, so we got 11 people here. If you make profits today with this, what up, Jello? Shout it out. Just go to my. Thank you, appreciate it. Thank you, Jello. Took that buy from 3313. That's lower than what mine was. That's a better entry than mine because my entry was 3315. Thank you, Masur. Masrur? Masrur. Go to my YouTube real quick. Like and comment it so I can get more engagement on my YouTube. Help me out. Nine people. 1 minute time frame. Ooh, I never touched the 1 minute time frame. I don't touch it. But if it works for you, good job. You know, it's not for me. 1 minute time frame is not for me. Look at my kittens, man. Okay, mag-heart me ka. Sa main account mo, ikaw. Thanks for the follow, Gabrielle Luna. My cat's name's Luna. Ayun, finally. Thank you for the roses, Masrur. So, let's see. Today's Wednesday, so there should be. I don't know, man. It's been ranging since. Not really, no, no, no. Since last week, market's been ranging. But hopefully today we get some movement and tomorrow as well. We're trying to fill. Yeah, last night was crazy. But I secured my profits up here, and then I moved my SL to break even down here. So before this thing crashed, I was already in profits, and now we're catching another upside move. Well, let me see. Let me look at the 1 hour time frame. 4 hour. So 4 hours, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have bearish movement all day yesterday. All right, all bearish candle on the 4 hour time frame. All right. So now we can see where the pullback is at. No, 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 wait, not yet. Not yet, because for me to bust out my fib, I need to have like a bullish candle closing. So like in an hour and 7 minutes, if this closes bullish, then we can bust. I can bust out my fib. All right, but we're in the rejection area, PRZ. We hope it will get back in the 3340. Well, my full TP is at 3334. All right, and then my rejection area as well is 3331. So those are my targets. But so far we're up 30 something pips, 37, $135.50. Thank you for the follow, Light of Hope. Did I get like disconnected or something? Oh, this is daily. I'm tripping. This is the daily time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive daily candles bearish. And then this right here is a 4 hour time frame. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 previous bearish candle. We have what do you call that? We have an impulsive candle right here, a big red bearish candle, and then we see exhaustion right here where our PRZ level is at, and then we see like a reversal pattern. Price action is beautiful. This Asian session, yeah, it is. How do I know the difference between a weak and strong engulfing? What do you mean? Let's see. What time frame? Depends on what time frame. Like This one, I'm on a 4 hour time frame right now. We have this big 15 minutes. Hmm. I don't know, man. Like for this one, for example, like this one right here. I see. I have my levels right here. This right here, this orange line I just see, that's a level for me. All right. Now, if I see a rejection in that level, I go to the 5 minutes. All right. This is what I do. All right. Go to the 5 minutes and then look for an engulfing candle. All right. Above an engulfing candle above the orange line. So there's right here an engulfing. But usually I whenever I do this, I entered on two consecutive bullish candle above the my PRZ, as well as look at this. This is the orb for today. This is a 15-minute orb for today. All right, we're having closing above and above, so I think we're ready to shoot up now, go up now. All right, and we have a little breakup structure in a 5 minute time frame. All right. Oh no, this is a because we have a lower high, lower low. Oh no, I don't know. It's just for fucking ranging. So now we're above my PRZ level, right? We have like consecutive bullish, and then we have like a big breakup structure right here. If one H goes green, that means we're in bullish. We'll see where 1 hour is at. Look at that. But this 1 hour doesn't have a. It's respecting the trend line on a 1 hour time frame, all right? And it's also respecting this PRZ, which is acting as a support right now. But this 1 hour candle doesn't have a bottom wick, all right? Usually when the candle doesn't have a bottom wick, there's a high chance that the price will revisit that. But it doesn't happen all the time. But it's more likely than not, it's gonna revisit the no bottom wick on the 1 hour time frame. Because anytime you see a no wick candle, see, look, we rarely see them. Let's look for one right now. You rarely see them, right? Like this one. This one does not have a no wick candle, right? And it revisited right here, and then rejected. So whenever you have a no wick candle, there's a high chance that it will revisit that. Like this, for example. Yeah. So this candle right here doesn't have a bottom wick. It shot up, yeah, whatever, but then you revisited that no wick candle. It's like a mini FBG. Are you in the Philippines? Yeah, I'm in the Philippines. Now let's look for another one. Just that's only one example, right? Now let's look for another one. Right here. You see this? Wait. This right here. Where is it at? Right here. That's a no wick candle. This bullish candle right here. The next candle revisited it. Even the next one. Right? So whenever you have a no wick candle, there's a high chance that it will revisit it. Alright, now let's go look for another one. What's that smell? I smell fucking spam. Or is that cat food? I don't see anymore. It rarely, I mean, like, it rarely happens, man. It rarely happens, but when you do get it, make sure that you're keeping an eye on it, because there's a high probability that it will revisit that. Alright. So now, this hour candle just closed. We have 1 more hour for the 4 hour candle to close. Now we have this opening. Alright, now this on an hour candle is a bullish engulfing. This is a strong bullish engulfing on my PRZ level. So that's a good indicator for me that this is going to have a continuation to go up. What do you think of Top Step? Have you used it? No, I haven't used Top Step. Alright. But like I said, this candle does not have a bottom wick. So maybe a couple of candles after, once we reach this, we get like some kind of rejection and then revisit that bottom wick. But we'll see. But sometimes it doesn't do that, man. I'm just saying there's just like a high probability that it will do that. Sometimes the price just takes off. I switch between time frames. This is right now we're in the 1 hour time frame, and we see a bullish engulfing on a rejection area, which is a PRZ level, which is called the price rejection zone, 3315, as well as it's respecting this trend line right here. This trend line here is a 4 hour time frame trend line. 4 hour, yeah, this 4H trend line or 1 hour. Is it? That's a 4H. All right. So I have two confluences over here that this is a rejection area, as well as a bullish engulfing. All right. And we also get like confirmation, candle closing confirmation on the lower time frame. So I'm gonna hold this. We're up now. What's the pips? We are up 25 pips. If the 30 minutes, 45 minute to H has wicks, it won't matter then. No, I'm basing off of my higher time frame. The higher time the higher you are, or the higher time frame. If you're in a higher time frame, it's more accurate than the lower ones. It's more accurate than the lower time frames. But if 2H has a wick, then that's more accurate. This is gold, Xauusd. Hopefully we get some fucking move. Oh man, like yeah. This happened like last night, man. Like while I was asleep. Boom, boom, boom. No, no, no. This one's right here. This one happened last night after midnight, I think. Oh no, it was 10 p.m. At 10 o'clock last night. So right now, this is the level. This is my current levels right here, or the range. This is the range from here to here. That's how many pips is that? From here to here, that's 158 pips of range. All right. So now you see, this is the bottom of the range. I entered at the bottom of the range. All right. Now when it rejects right here, the next target is the top of the range. So I'm waiting for this. For today, my target is to fill this range. Once this range is filled, and if it can keep going past up or reject right here. All right. So whenever I get here, I take my partials, or put my SL to break even, or trailing stop loss. But my full TP is right here because this is my ultimate target, which is the previous day um, point of interest on my fixed volume profile. All right, on a opening break, on a session break. For what? FX is scam. FX is scam if you don't know what you're doing. This is gold, Xauusd. I'm selling on gold, swinging it. Good luck, Rob. Since morning. Like like I learned a lot of stuff from different mentors, and I just like I just tweaked some of the strategies and turn it into my own, something that's for me. What the fuck? Three with this guy obviously hasn't seen my fucking record. This guy obviously doesn't see it as. Oh my goodness. We have another troll, guys. We have another troll. This it doesn't make sense. See that? These are my records right here. Out of all these trades, I got one loss. God, that's like a fucking. That's a $4,000 profit. All right, so I might not know what I'm doing, but it's making me money. So you can say scam all you want. The people that's like doing that, they're like, man, they don't understand it. You speak about things that you don't understand. Because if you really understood this, you wouldn't be fucking speaking nonsense, man. It's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. This trading is not for everybody. And the people like Adam, they're the ones that fucking, they're my SL. They're the one that helps my pockets or my fucking accounts on profit. Because I need losers. I need people like Adam to give me their profits. All right? I need somebody to lose. For me to win, I need somebody to lose. So thank you, Adam, for investing in Forex and funding my accounts. Ah! Mark of love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Mark, for that. I'm also in the buy. Good luck. Good luck for the people in the buy. Good luck for the people in the short. There's no right way or wrong way to trade. As long as you're making money, it's all gravy. How many prop firms? Yeah, I have two prop firms. I have two prop firms and two personal money, two personal live accounts. FXify and FTMO, and then multi-bank and Tickmill. Forever, give me. There's gotcha. Trading platform MT5, and I plot my charts on TradingView. How you gonna hate? You can't even get in. Ain't outside the club. Hi, sir. You speak Tagalog? Yes, I speak Tagalog. Adam,
I can't translate into Tagalog yet.
Hi, Adam getting robbed legally. No, he's not getting robbed. He's donating. He's donating. NQ? I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about NQ. Where are you from? I'm in the Philippines. Okay to buy 3318. I don't know, man. Like I said, this 1 hour candle doesn't have the previous one doesn't have a bottom wick. All right, and I'm already 37 pips into this trade. All right, you're gonna enter at my what TP1. This is gold Xauusd. You're gonna enter 3318 on my TP1. That's on you. You guys are responsible for your own accounts. This is not a financial advice. All right. Whatever you get out of this, it's on you. All right. I'm not telling you guys to sell, buy, whatever. I'm just showing a little bit of my knowledge and experience. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Let's get it. Another W. Yesterday was a W. I scared like how much did I scare yesterday? I scared like about it was 100 pips. I know I got out 100 pips. It went more than 100. I think it went 130, but I got out 100 pips yesterday. Oh shit! I forgot to do something. Content live. I forgot to monetize. All right, we're done. Does funding ticks not let you trade around news? I don't know. I don't. I haven't. I don't have an account with them, so I wouldn't know. How long do you hold? Usually all day. all day, sometimes a couple of days, sometimes 1 week. I'm a swing trader. I'm not a scalper. Let's look at my other accounts. How are they looking? Looking pretty good. I thought we were using them as prop firms. I use FXify and FTMO. No, no, I'm telling you, I used to be a day trader. I used to be a scalper, man. I'm telling you right now. I mean, it's hard. It's hard to start off as a swing trader, but I'm telling you, the difference between swing trader and scalper is fucking. I'm telling you, you're gonna see a major difference because scalping, it demands time and commitment. All right, when you're scalping, man, and you see like all of a sudden like impulsive movements, you got to be alert. You got to be watching out for that trade. You got to be moving your SL along the way, with your trade. And it's stress. It's way more stressful than swing trader. Me sometimes I put in a trade and I don't even check it to the either the that night, that evening, or the next day. Sometimes I execute a trade and I forget about it, and then like I look at it, oh shit, I'm on profit. Because if I was like to just fucking watch my trade the whole time and I see it moving, sometimes man I can't control myself. I might start adding layers. I might start adding stupid shit. I might start doing stupid shit if I keep if I see it going up and down. That's why I switch from I can't control myself sometimes. Swing is so much more chill. Not no. Yeah, swing is much so much more chill, not stressful. Yes. Nope. Gold versus USD. Yeah, yes. Right. Aziz, does 15-minute old work on gold for Asian Open? Yes, yes. It's look. I don't know. Let's see if it did today. So this is the 15-minute time frame. All right. So if you entered right here, so 15-minute orb is for scalping. All right. So if you entered right here, say what you wait for is a closing below or above. So if you get a closing over here and you execute this trade, and your SL will be like the resistance. If you caught this, man, if you caught this trade, that's a 30 pip move. So that's like TP2. A 30 pip is TP2. Usually for scalpers, they're shooting for 10, 15, 30 pips. All right? So it did play out, or did play out for scalpers today. Do you find trend on the 4 hour and then take the entry in a 15? Yeah, yeah, 4 hours. Yeah. What time frame? I switch around, man. Right now, let's see. We're on 1 hour right now. Fly gold, please. You trade currencies? I used to, but I'm more on gold. Gold. Look at that. Now we have movement. You swing? Yes, I'm more of a swing trader because like I'm catching like 100 pips. Usually my targets are 100 pips, and that's hard to do when you're scalping. 100 pips is hard to do when scalping because when you're scalping, man, your SLs are small. Me, like I like to have a little bit breathing room for my SL. That's why these things right here, these lines, my PRZ levels that I draw manually, those things are my levels, and those things act as support and resistance. They also act as my SL and TP. All right. No, come on. I don't trade futures. Man, I got 57. Oh, like for the 55 people that's watching right now, if you guys would do me a favor, man, go to my YouTube channel and just like the live because I'm live also in my YouTube, and you can come back right here. What's up, Adit? That'll do me a solid, man. If you get any kind of like any knowledge from what I'm doing right now, all you can do, the least you can do is go to my YouTube and like, and then come back here. Appreciate that. It's to say the Aziz Gamelon. I think where's it at? That's my YouTube name. Aziz Gamelon. Yeah, this is live trading. What's up, Adit? Miss you guys. We'll do that. Bro is back with those great sauce. Welcome back, Castro. RG, nag-trade pa ako eh. So 60 people, man, 60 people. You can go to my YouTube real quick, like the live, and then come back here. It's Xauusd. So we have movement right now. At 12, the 4 hour candle is gonna close like in 20, what, 40 minutes. We are now at 37 pips. 37 pips. This a W, chat. Can I get a W? W, man. On this trade. Let's fucking get it. Golden Stacks Academy. You've been missing on TikTok, bro. You'll be doing all that rapping and dancing, rapping and dancing. My goal is to get wealthy off trading and move to a different country like Puerto Rico. Not pay taxes. Or Dubai. Dubai doesn't pay taxes. They tax you for everything. They tax you if you're working. They taxing you if you buy shit. They taxing you if you eat. They taxing you if you buy property. They tax you for everything, man. They tax you for, man. If you make money, they're taxing you. I want to say thank you. You made me understand PRZ level, etc. in the markets on lives. Appreciate it. Thank you, and thank you for like going to my YouTube and liking it and subscribing. I'm in the same trade. Where should I set your TP? Three. You set. It's up to you, man. Whatever you're comfortable with your profits is. Whatever you're comfortable with your profits. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate that. Do you have Academy to learn your strategy? I do. And actually, I need to make a video today to add. Oh my god, this gold. I need to add something to it. It's called Golden Stacks Academy. Here, let me just. GoldenStacksAcademy.com. I need to add a video there soon. Today I'm gonna edit a video and I'm gonna add it there. No extra fees. It's the same for the existing, for my existing students. They just get it extra. I continue to improve that strategy. Thank you for the follow. I continue to like. It's just like one time lifetime fee, and then I keep adding to that. And damn, we are at. How many pips is this? 40 pips, chat. 40 pips, chat. If you got that, good job on you. 40 pip chat. 191.50 cents. 192 dollars. Let's get it. Where do you base your stop loss? In my mind, it should be. Look, it's for every. It depends on everybody, man. Like me, I don't want. I know when where usually they take where the liquidity happens. All right. Sometimes my entries are liquidity. You know, more likely than not, if you place because a lot most of the traders place their SL to like um the swing lows, the swing lows, or just like right off of the swing lows or swing highs. All right, I like to give a little bit room. Like for example, this right here, this the recent swing low is this one. This is a 4 hour time frame, so it's pretty big. 3312. All right, like I like to give it a little bit of room, a little bit of room, more room. This is a big SL. That's a 90 pip SL. This is a 90 pip. Usually my SLs are 100 pips. Last night, which one? Nah, this is uh I have FDMO and then FXify, and then I have my personal broker, Tickmill, and multibank. I used to have 30 pip SL, and I'm telling you, man, for you to make that, you have to be sniping all the time. You have to be having sniper entries all the time. 90 is wild, yeah, I know. I know. Before, I was like, but this account is big. This account can handle a 90 pip SL. And then my lot size is point 0.5 lot size. So I'm willing to lose $1,000 on a trade. That's my SL. My SL is $1,000. But I'm willing to make $3,000 if it goes my way. And a 100 pip SL for me is $1,000 on this account. But look, since we have a movement right here, this this can easily be a risk free trade. This can easily be a risk free trade. I'm already a profit, so that 100 pip SL that goes away. Risk one RR to gain three is solid return for sure. I don't always hit the three, but once I get at my one, I'm taking partials and moving my SL to break even. 200K problem trading, risking 5%. Five, isn't it 10%? Wait, problem trading, risking 5%, looking for 2.5. Oof, no. Prop, sorry, okay. No, no habla español. Point 0.5, point 0.5. Oh yeah, I'm on point 0.5 right now. I use point 0.5 lot size. What pair and what's the overall trend in the market? The overall trend is downtrend. We haven't had on the higher time frame is downtrend. Downtrend. This is gold, Xauusd. That's good. That's good. Actually, risk to reward ratio. Do you scan for different place or do you just trade gold? Yeah, gold most likely. Are you taking a buy on the downtrend market? I think that's not normal. Well, I've been. I've been consistent with my strategy. So, whatever. Just trading is not normal. Period. There's nothing normal about this. There's no like sure way normal like strategy out there. You gotta be fucking crazy to be fucking trading. Right? Is it not normal for me to have a risk-free trade right now? You know, I'm on profits. I already took partials. I moved my SL to break even. Is that not normal? If being up, if being up like 40 pips is not normal, then I don't know, man. Listen, man. When it comes to trading, you have your strategy. It makes money. That's fine. Some people excel in different things. Some people excel in counter trading. Some people go with the flow, go with trading. Some people like trade support and resistance. Some people play FVG. There's so many kinds of ways to make money off the market, man. You can't just say your way is the right way. If you're making money off the market, then you're doing something good. You're doing something right. So don't change it. The market will do its thing, man. I entered on my levels. I see levels. I don't just enter randomly. I entered right here on my levels when there. I know there's a trend, a possible reversal of the trend line, and this is also like the very bottom of the volume from the previous day's trade. I don't just enter randomly do a counter trend. I have levels. I enter on levels, and I see this movement on a 4 hour time frame of like big consecutive movement candle and then an exhaustion, a reversal candles on a higher time frame at that. All right, so don't be close minded, man. If you have a strategy, that's fine. All right, but for you to say that your strategy is like the only one, the only way, it's not. No, there's a lot of ways. There's a lot of ways to make money on the market. There's a lot of strategies out there that works. What's up, April? Daily candle with levels put it together is better. Whatever works good for you, man. Whatever works for you. You trade only in session. I trade all day. Most strategies work. The reason most people fails, yes, exactly. But I usually open on the Asian session, and then I'll just leave it alone. If I see like the market's not doing anything, I'll just leave it alone. I'll come back like New York session, or I'll just like see. That's the thing about like swing trading, man. You can peek every once in a while. I don't have to like sit here and watch my trade. How do you set up yesterday's volume profile and not that's the video that I'm gonna make on my this is the new video I'm gonna make on my academy. That's the one I'm gonna add. Yeah, usually because that's where the news New York session. Yeah, that's where usually the news comes out. See, that's why I was asking. Hot dog, what's up? Yeah, after this live, I'm gonna thank you, hot dog. I'm gonna make that video and I'm gonna post it on my website. Let's go. We get the fucking movement. We are 46 pips. W chat. 46 pip in this trade, and it's continue. We have FOMC meeting tomorrow. Walter incoming. Let's get it. See, you know what that tells me, man. Whenever like there's news. So for me, whenever I chart, I'm like, fuck, man. What's it gonna take for it to fill this range? What's it gonna take to fill to go all the way up here and then hit my point of interest? All right, there has to be something happening in the news. That makes sense. That okay, now we get like a movement up here. So for me, regardless of what happens in the news, it only makes sense to me that okay, my analysis is right. Something has to happen for it to clear, and this normal move is not gonna do it. I need news. Por order po ng pastel. Ubos na. So regardless of the news, like I go off my chartings. Sometimes I wonder, like, thank you, slow six. I don't even know how to say that. Slow kids uses beats and charts. Like I'm telling you, whenever we get the news, it's already too late. The people that's trading big time, they already know where the shit's coming going to before the news comes out. Whatever we get the super super late news. Kala ko talaga hindi Pilipino. Hi Pookie. Pookie. Thank you, Rolly, for the heart me. What coin is that? This is Xauusd. I'm from Poland. It's hard. Zlojis. I don't know. Yeah, but the charts don't lie. Sometimes I feel like the charting can predict the future. Like sometimes I feel like the world is adjusting to the charts. Zlojis. Zlojis. All right, where we at now? We are at 48 pips, 48 pips, almost at 50 pips. Gonna be moving that SL pretty soon. Harlem NBA, appreciate you, man. Let's get it. Fucking make this money, man. It's a Wednesday, 12:33 p.m. where I'm at, and we're 50 pips in this trade with a risk-free trade. Shout out to the 5 viewers on my YouTube. There's a solid. Where's TP? Wherever you're comfortable. How long have you been trading on gold? Yeah, 5 years? Almost 5 years. Going on 5 years. Gold has always been the one I've been trading. When I first started trading, it's always been gold. Right. And if you watch the chart nonstop, all right, 50 pips. Wait, yeah, 50 pips, chat. 50 pips. Secured 50 pips on my live. Let's go. I'm gonna move my SL. Risk free trade. 4 accounts I'm handling right now. All in fucking profits. Let's get it. All right. I'm trying to, but I'm impatient. Yes, you gotta change that, man. You're gonna keep getting the same results if you're not patient. Gold choppy these days. Yeah, this whole week's been choppy. I'm not a newbie in trading, but I will really love to learn some new things from you, bro. Well, there it is. Golden Stacks Academy. I didn't buy my first course till like 2 years in. Like I bought Q Banks' course for $800 and then Don Vo's for $800. If you want to learn, mine's right there, man. Like you spot the 4 hour bearish FVG. Let's see. Let me see where. 52 pips. Look for hour. I don't see an FVG. I don't see an FVG at all. There's no FVG in the 4 hour. Oh shit, I'm in daily. Are you talking about this one? I wouldn't consider this a FBG, man. I mean, this is the big, yeah, this is a big imbalance right here. But, you know, it's gonna keep going up though. I think. AIOZ. What was that? Do you think goes bullish for the day? I don't know. I don't know because we're technically on a downtrend. All right, but we are in a rejections, a prime rejection zone. All right, slash pullback. I don't, ooh, and then we have fucking movement, man. We have movement, chat. 57 pips. Hold on, man. I gotta concentrate on this. Wadu. Let's get it. Prime entry, man. Look at that entry. That's a pretty entry. Can't hear you since at work. Pair of cheese, brother. Thank you for the win. Very good entry and good setup. Thank you. All right. There's 3 confirmation on this setup, by the way. All right. Actually 4. 4. If we go to the 15-minute time, there's a 4. All right. So we have. See, if it goes, this is the orb. All right. So over here we have a closing above. All right. The support of the opening range breakout. All right. That's one confirmation. I have a PRZ level right here, a 3315. That's 2 confirmation. I have a trend line right here that's being respected. That's 3 confirmation. And this is an entry on the very bottom of the fixed volume profile on the previous session break. So that's 4 confirmation for me to enter on this trade. All right. Bomba clot. Risk-free trade, chat. So we good? I'm good. I already got my profits, and now I'm writing this for 40,000 pips. Some boring market. I don't know, man. It's pretty good to me. It can be boring all this one as long as I'm making money. I'm gonna go smoke a cigarette. A victory smoke. I earned it. I earned a What's 3316? What's 3316? Damn, we fucking moving, chat. I'm guessing too late to enter. I look at you, man. You're entering on my fucking what? TP2? You're entering like what? 57 pips in my trade. Clean Aziz, bag 1.5k more funded. Hey, good job, Aaron, on YouTube. You know, keep watching me. Follow me on YouTube, man. I'm guessing too late. Ed, are you the gambler? Ed the gambler, is that you? If I remember correctly. Three 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 one is my I'm getting out. Nah, I never gamble. Look at that. If I'm gambling, then I'm pretty fucking good at gambling. That's 57 pips gambling. Good job, Aaron. Aaron. Fuck yeah, man. Fuck yeah, let's go. W chat. Let me get a W chat. So many pips in the chat today. Hell yeah. Because everybody's making money, man. The people that's watching me on YouTube is making money. There's some traders. Thank you, Sammy. Welcome, Sammy. Man, we're having like a little collaboration with Sammy. She's going to be here like soon. And we're going to make some good music. Can't wait for that. W chat. WWW. Go fast up 331. Can't wait anymore. You gotta wait, man. You gotta wait. And chat, if you guys are here, go follow Sammy. Sammy Saurus. Good week this week, huh? And it's only Wednesday. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can't complain. You know, we're up. I think 4,000 for the week. Where the selling area? Above. It is only Wednesday. Selling area for me will be a 3338. The yellow line. But yellow. I got a few yellow lines. Oh, this one right here? Yeah, that's actually like one of the rejection zones. That's one of the rejection zones. And you know what that's called, Sammy? It's called a PRZ. Yeah, they're gone. They're gone. Like I had to lay low for a while. Learning, young Padawan. I don't know, man. I think it's because before I used to go on live on TikTok without audience control. That's why I would get strikes. I don't know. So now I'm going to audience control for 18 and above only. Actually, I'm thinking about doing a subscribers only live, and then that's when I'll give signals. Or maybe that's what I will teach. You still got Telly? Thank you, Strawberry. Oh, Strawberry Jam. You should. No. A lot of people wanted it free. Sampalin. Yeah, I still got Telly, but I'm not active on Telegram anymore. Well, you enjoying this free knowledge? Hmm? Let me see. We'll look at the lower time frame and see if we have like a exhaustion or. Nah, it's still going strong, man. We're going strong. We are going strong. We're gonna hold this. Yeah, I've been here and win with you. So why won't you subscribe? If it's worth it. Isn't it worth it? The knowledge that you gain? I teach you how to trade without risk. Okay. Oh, it's like one of those spam gold free signal. Alright, there you go. If you want something free, you can go there. Gold VIP free. Oh, let's see if since your signals are free, what do you think? Gold VIP free. What's the signal today for today? The people when shit like that when they offer like without risk trade without risk, that's a red flag, man. When you hear trade without risk, super red flag. Sabi. Palaban si Sammy, oh. Chat, we are at 58 pips, almost 60 pips, man. Jeez, we're on fire this week, and it's moving, and it's still moving. Let's get it. W chat. W chat. Oh my goodness. 60 pips. 60 pips. Hey, if you're in this trade, 60 pips, you just close, man. Just close. Just close. W. I'm holding this because I'm a swing trader, man, and my minimum is 100 pips. But, man, if you're in profit, just close it, man. Close it. We're going up, up, up. Let's get it. Risk free trade. I am up $333. See, I'm telling you, you should have closed at 60 pips if you guys are in that trade. But so since it's already a W stream, you know, I I think I deserve a snack. No, I don't. I gotta fucking I gotta cut down for the photo shoot. I don't know. What's that gonna do? Like 2 more days. Oh, I gotta schedule a haircut appointment tomorrow before I forget. Thursday. Which one are you? The winner. The one that wins. I am him. Joke. I am him. Hi, just joined. Possible to share a reason for entry. Uh, PRZ level. Third touch of the trend line, respecting the trend line. The very bottom of the previous day session break of the volume, fixed volume profile, and as well as the 50-minute orb. MNQ. Aziz, have you used FTMO? Yeah, I got an FTMO right now. What software? What are you talking about? What software? What software? 15-minute orb from the opening agent session? Yeah. Sorry, I'm a beginner. Application? It's called Trading View, where you can chart and plot things. You familiar with the 1% rule? For per trader you can lose your funded? No, what is that? What's the 1% rule? That you gotta trade 1% every day? What was that? I never had that problem because I just trade normally. What's the 1%? This is FTMO. I haven't had problems with FTMO yet. So, what about the inducement? What about it? I heard per trade you can't lose more than 1%. Oh no, I don't know, man. Cause I well, it's like the one on my FTMO. It's only a $10,000 account, so I'm trading pretty low. My lot size on that is point 0.05. Cause I never had a problem. So on that $10,000 account, my lot size is point 0.05. Because technically that $10,000 account is only $1,000 because that's my limit. That's my drawdown limit. It's 1,000. So I'm trading. I'm not trading like I have $10,000. I'm trading like I have $1,000. Wow, good job, Ed. Look at you. But the one on FXify is 100K. A 15? A 15? Let's see. I don't know, man. It should be the same. Like point. It's up to you. It really depends on your trading style. You know, my style, I need to have like point zero 0.05 because I have a big SL. All right. But you know, if I was scalping, like, I'll probably have point 0.5 or point 0.1, point 0.5. Yeah. No, point 0.1. The commissions on the funded accounts though. Shit. I get commissions on my regular live accounts. I'm the one that's getting commissions. For the VIX one profile, which was your session range? See, that's on my academy. I'm making a video like after this live, and I'm and I'm adding that to my academy. Pasali. Hearty. Naiintindihan mo ba tong trading? Hearty? Kasi ano to eh. It takes years to master this. Trade sa lalaki. Wala ako doon. Ako, nagtatrade ako. Pera sa babae. Naiintindihan niya ako. Yes, this is gold. XM. Oh, XM? I don't like XM. They have big spreads. Yes, it's gold. Malaki yung spread ng XM eh. You want to trade? I'm already trading. Eh di na ako magiging trader, magiging pimp na lang ako. Talaga, hindi talaga ako nag-trade. Me, no social media, no live, only chart, and me, and I'm managing 800 gig. I just started on bootcamp. Okay, good for you, bro. Di ako kaladkarin. Tama. Going up. I think I'm about to end this live because I'm gonna go watch. I'm rewatching Game of Thrones. All right, I'm gonna. But anyways, shout out to the 63 people that's watching right now. Do me a favor, man. Go to my YouTube channel, Aziz Giamelon. Go like, subscribe, help me out. All right, but I'm done. I'm done for the day. We secured. I'm on a risk-free trade right now. Took partials. We hit all the way up to 60 pips on this live, man. So that's a good thing. A W stream. Good luck to everybody that's in the trade right now. May the pips be with you. All right. And if you more interested in the way I trade, man, Golden Stacks Academy. Go visit my website. So peace out, y'all. Golden Stacks signing out. How do I end this? 1 hour and 11 minutes.